Welcome back. We've learned the core Python data types: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Now, it's time to see how they fit together to model real-world data in a use case, specifically focusing on patient clinical data. 1. Defining patient data structure. We will model a single patient using a dictionary, as it allows us to use descriptive keys like name and age. We'll use strings for the ID and name, and an integer for the age. Next, we add the patient's vitals and medication history, which requires sequence types. 2. Using lists and tuples. Vitals, like heart rate and blood pressure, are measured over time and change frequently. We'll use a list to store these records, reflecting mutability. Notice that each individual reading is stored as a tuple, guaranteeing that the blood pressure and heart rate pair remains fixed and consistent. 3. Using sets for unique data. Allergies must be unique. A patient cannot have the same allergy listed twice. Therefore, a set is the perfect type to store this information, ensuring data integrity. To summarize, we modeled complex data by strategically choosing data types: dictionary for structure, lists for mutable history, tuples for fixed data points, and sets for unique constraints. We will continue exploring application-based data modeling in our next lecture, focusing on how lists and dictionaries interact. Join me in Lecture 04.21, Map of Lists Use Case.